Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to create voices in Character AI. Now, you might be wondering, can Character AIs talk? Well, we're going to show you. So first, you're going to need to be in the Character AI website. Of course, it's character.ai, or if you want, just go open any browser and just search for Character AI in Google, and it's going to be the first option that pops up. After that, once you're here, you will need to create an account and sign in. You need to be signed in to do this. So after you sign in, you need to create, hover or click the create option here on the upper left corner of your screen, and there will be two options that's going to pop up: character and voice. You would want to click on character. So you're going to create a new AI, and what you want to do is just type in the name, for example, Leo, right? And then description. How would your character describe themselves? Just fill in everything. Greeting says hello or whatever. And here you would want the voice. So click on voice and just choose one, select this. After that, create character, and now this character will have its own voice. Character now has a voice. Try with voice, as you can see here, voice enabled. So how are you, right? And it's gonna,
fine. Thank you. How are you?
there you go. It is now talking aside from just the text on the chat. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.